In this video, we will explain how to make the CG adjustment on the Rogue wheelchair. You will need a 4mm Allen wrench and an 8mm combination wrench. We've chosen to make the adjustment to greater stability, which means we'll be moving the axle assembly rearward on the frame. Note that now the rear of the clamp is set to the E mark on the scale. We'll move it 1.5 inches, which means we'll move it to halfway between C and D, or what we would refer to as C1/2. Each tick mark is 1/8 of an inch. To begin, simply loosen the clamps on both sides. Checking to make sure that the clamps are free to move, simply slide the assembly rearward to the desired tick mark. Check to make sure that they're at the same point on the scale and tighten the clamp assemblies. Make sure you always check the CG adjustment with the user in the chair when finished.